Personal growth and development is the process of improving oneself in various aspects of life, such as physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well being. It can involve setting and achieving goals, learning new skills and knowledge, developing positive habits and attitudes, and building stronger relationships. Personal growth can also include addressing and overcoming challenges and obstacles and working to become the best version of oneself. Personal growth is important because it allows individuals to become more self aware, to understand their values and priorities, and to live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. It can help individuals to set and achieve goals, to build positive habits, to develop greater self confidence and self esteem, and to improve their overall well being. Personal growth can also lead to better relationships, greater job satisfaction, and increased productivity and effectiveness. Moreover, personal growth is important because it helps individuals to adapt and grow in response to the constant change and uncertainty that life brings. It allows us to look at ourselves objectively and see areas where we can improve, and therefore it's an essential part of living a fulfilling and meaningful life. The journey of personal growth can be challenging at times, but with the right mindset and approach, these challenges can be overcome. Some of the real challenges that individuals may face on the journey of personal growth include 1. Lack of self-awareness. Without understanding oneself and one's values and priorities, it can be difficult to set meaningful goals and to make lasting changes. 2. Fear of change. Change can be scary, and it can be easy to resist or avoid it. However, without taking action and making changes, personal growth cannot occur. 3. Resistance to feedback. Seeking feedback from others is important for personal growth, but some individuals may have a hard time accepting constructive criticism or may feel defensive about their behavior. 4. Difficulty in setting and achieving goals. Setting goals is an important part of personal growth, but some individuals may have trouble determining what they want, setting realistic goals, or following through with them. 5. Negative mindset and attitude. A negative mindset and attitude can be a significant barrier to personal growth, as it can prevent individuals from seeing opportunities and from taking action towards their goals. 6. Procrastination. Putting things off can make it hard to achieve goals, and it can be a big obstacle in the journey of personal growth. 7. Limited support system. Personal growth can be challenging, and having a supportive network of friends and family can be incredibly helpful. But not everyone has this kind of support. 8. Financial limitations. Personal growth can be expensive, whether it's a gym membership, a therapy session, or a workshop. Financial limitations can make it hard to invest in oneself. 9. Lack of time. With busy schedules, it can be hard to find the time to focus on personal growth. 10. Societal pressure. Societal pressure can make it hard to pursue personal growth, as it can be difficult to go against the norm and to do something different. These 10 challenges are not insurmountable, but they are real obstacles that individuals may face on the journey of personal growth. It's important to be aware of these challenges and to develop strategies to overcome them. Some simple hacks, or we can say some simple strategies that can be helpful, include setting realistic goals, seeking support and feedback, developing a positive mindset and attitude, and taking small steps towards change. Thank you for joining with us in this video. If you like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.